Hello creatives, welcome to another tutorial session by Simplified Arena. So I was going through some After Effects courses and I discovered that one topic that is usually not covered in After Effects courses is how to use the source text properties in After Effects, which is what I'm going to be teaching you today. So with my After Effects opened, I'm just going to click to create our new composition. The color will be white, duration 20 seconds, frame rate 30 frames, okay. And then I am just going to demonstrate what the source text property is all about. I'll bring up our type tool and I'll put in a text, welcome. Welcome. I will hold Control and double click on the pan behind tool to set the anchor point to the center of our text. Then I'll align the text to the center of our screen or of our composition. And I'm going to scale our text up by pressing S on the welcome layer. Then I'll come to our timeline. I'll go 10 frames to the right. I will trim our welcome layer by holding Alt plus right square bracket on our keyboard. Then I will duplicate our text layer, Ctrl D on the keyboard. I will zoom in, Alt plus mouse scroll, and then I will grab our layer and move it like this. I'll type 2. I will duplicate our layer again, Ctrl D, and move while holding Shift to clip to this layer. Then I'll type After Effects. Then I'm going to press N here. Then I'll click on play. Welcome to After Effects. So to make this simple text animation, you see that we have used 3 text layers to be able to come out with this result. But the source text property will allow us to use just 1 layer to come out with this same effect. So let's go ahead and delete all of this. And then I'm going to bring in my text again. I will bring in my type tool. I will type in welcome. I will align to the center, Control double click on pan behind to set anchor point to the center too. Then I'll expand our text properties. I'll expand our text. Then I'll keyframe our source text. So I'll set our source text keyframe here. You will notice that the source text keyframes are square. They are not our regular diamond keyframes. This square keyframe simply means that they are whole keyframes. I will move 10 frames to the right, Control plus Shift plus right arrow key on the keyboard. With our selection tool, I will type in 2. And I'll move 10 frames again to the right, Control Shift right arrow key. With our selection tool, I'll type again After Effects. Then I'll move 10 frames to the right again, and I'll press N, and now click on play. So you see that we have achieved this effect within 1 layer, something that could take us 3 layers. This technique really helps reduce the amount of layers we work with and increase your speed in After Effects. So thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.